Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hey yo, what's good? My name is Botlhale Baily. I'm the founder of Baily's. Baily's is a fast casual eatery. We've been voted one of Gauteng's best kotas 2 years in a row, so super exciting stuff. But yeah, we're based in Alex and in Morningside. So we've officially crossed the bridge, and I mean, we're able to cater to the crowds in Sandton. Our business was established in 2019. Baily's was really started on the back foot of a family tragedy. At the time, my aunt who was running sort of the place where we're operating from had passed away. And my granddad just asked me to step in, and just utilize the land. And at the same time, I really felt that like Alex didn't have a kota that stood out, that would bring people, something similar to like Winnie, who's based in Tembisa, that brought people from, all over the province. So Baily's was born really from that, right? We wanted to draw attention into Alex and bring people from all around the province to just come and experience Alex through kota yetu. Perfect, yeah, so we're fast casual. We're really selling African food, right? But really the selling point for us is accessibility. On our platforms, we're on multiple sort of delivery platforms, and this was all the way in COVID, man. So we were catering effectively kotas and mkhodus to Sandton, long before that sort of stuff was established. And that's really where we built our name. I believe that you never have to cook unless you enjoy cooking. And that's what Baily's is there for. With Baily's, I mean, what makes us different is that you have to see our kotas. It's a completely different experience from the flavor, from the way it looks. You simply have to experience it, man. Cool, so with us, you can find us on social. You can look for Baily's, or you can find us through our website, where you'll see all our services, our menus, as well as our locations. Hi, my name is Botlhale Baily, and I'm from Baily's, and we love Township Entrepreneurs.